Before the operation of any forklift, regardless of its class or type, you need to do a thorough inspection. This includes an understanding of key components of the forklift, their purpose, and testing their functionality. When you review your forklift, you need to understand and identify the following areas. The wheels are solid and move easily. The warning light is functional and flashing. The forks raise, lower, and spread correctly. The lift cylinder raises and lowers without issue. The handle raises and lowers, as well as the emergency stop and brakes work. The mast is not bent or severely damaged. The protective guard has no holes or cracks. The carriage moves seamlessly with the forks to support the load. The backrest is properly in place without damage. You need to be on the lookout for any excessive wear, cracks, or breaks in any of the equipment. A critical step to working safely is to test each of the controls and watch the operation of the straddle stacker. You should always test the brakes before any operation. If you notice any excessive sluggishness, grinding, or lack of movement from a component, you should lock out and tag out the forklift immediately, followed by informing your supervisor. This inspection should be performed before any operation of the forklift with any load. If a component fails while a load is present on the forklift, additional hazards become present. One of the most preventative measures in this process is ongoing maintenance. Just like any other piece of equipment, when a straddle stacker is used heavily, the components will start to show wear or even fail. The best way to address these concerns is through constant inspection and maintenance from a trained technician.